Beneficial Ownership Information Report, Step-by-Step Guidelines. Hi, I'm Vanessa Peters with SK Financial CPA. Today, let's talk about the Beneficial Ownership Information Report, or BOIR, an important filing required by FinCEN to help combat money laundering and other illicit activities. If your business was created or registered through a Secretary of State or similar office, this applies to you. Filing the BOIR ensures compliance and keeps your entity in good standing. Here are the key deadlines. Entities created before January 1st, 2024. File by January 1st, 2025. Entities registered between January 1st, 2024 and January 1st, 2025. File within 90 calendar days of your registration becoming effective. Entities created after January 1st, 2025. File within 30 calendar days of registration, updates or corrections. These must be submitted within 30 days of any changes. Missing these deadlines can lead to serious penalties. Civil penalties of $500 per day for each day your filing is late. Criminal penalties of up to $10,000 in fines or imprisonment for false or fraudulent information. But don't worry, SK Financial CPA is here to help. We'll handle your BOIR filing, ensuring it's accurate, complete, and submitted on time. Stay compliant and avoid unnecessary penalties. Contact SK Financial CPA today to get your BOIR filed stress-free. Call us or visit our website because your compliance is our priority. Filing your BOIR made easy. SK Financial CPA.